Good morning. I haven't done a video in a long time, and I thought I ordered a Scrawlrbox, and it's not it's a subscription one, but it's one of their past boxes because I wanted to make a small travel watercolor kit, and I saw something that I thought would be a good idea to just try. So I have opened the end of it just to see if it's the right thing, and it is. So this is Scrawlrbox. This is out of England, I think. And it's really reasonable. Even shipping to the US, it was a reasonable box. I've got a few others that I've ordered to see if there's a subscription box that I would like, that I will try. I'll do openings with those and we'll see. I'm trying to see if there's a subscription that really would suit me. I think Sketchbox is a good one. So that's the other one of the others I've ordered. And then I've ordered a craft box, and I'll do those in different videos. But the one I thought was cool about this, it's a watercolor, but I'll show you what I got in the box. What is this? This is a mechanical pencil. Super FX by Pentel. Oh, it has an eraser. I like them if they have erasers. I'll have to figure this one out. It's got that side click thing. But how does that feels like an eraser. Maybe it's not. We'll see. And it comes with I'll tell you what month this is. Okay, it comes with a number 8 Scrawlrbox. It's a nice brush. Not going to be using that, but Scrawler Challenge. Okay, so it was May 22 is this box. Scrawler Challenge Flowing Figures. And let's see, that's a Pentel Side FX mechanical pen. It comes with a Bruzinel kneadable eraser. I like that that's yellow. A Zahn custom angled brush, size 8. And this is what I got it for mostly. Oh, here's our sticker. Oh, that's pretty. Might put that on one of my watercolor boxes. This is what I got it for. This is the Peerless Watercolor Sheets pack of 12 custom colors. So, if you've never seen these before, I have to use my teeth, but basically it's paper that is infused with watercolor. So the base, you just take your brush and dip it to it, and neutral tint. We have a Bismarck brown, Gamboge yellow, ecru, heliotrope, mountain green, peacock blue, turquoise. Is that just one? Yeah, turquoise, Alice blue, alizarin red, can you read that? Jacquemont red, and Arlie's Opera. And I'm going to keep them in the plastic for now. But let's put them to one side. And it comes with, here's the artwork for that box. Look, isn't that beautiful? You see that? That's so pretty. Gosh, I love that. That is by Arlisha Yetzer. Beautiful. I love that. And the Scrawler zine, where it tells you what you got. And talks about the favorite artists. the featured artist, I should say. Things to try. And here's from the month before. So this one would have been March, I guess 2 months before. This one, March 2022. Different artwork from different people. It's cute. And then it's talking about doing portraits. And here's the paper that comes with it. A5 watercolor paper, 10 sheets. Acid free. Doesn't give you a whole lot of information about it though. HP watercolor paper. Alright, let's test these out. I'll do a little sketch with that pencil they gave me. And we'll test out. See, I got some of the watercolor on my finger, unfortunately. I have to find a better way to hold on to that. But I'm not worried, it's just a quick sketch. We'll do a little cup, maybe. Some odd-shaped circles on it, mostly because I'm not taking my time. Little saucer with circles. And maybe some flowers. It's like a helicopter. I hope you can't hear my stomach. I just had breakfast and it's lunchtime. So I'm on to a slow start today. And that clicking sound is my refrigerator. It makes strange noises. I'm just doing random stuff so I can color it in. All right, just a quick sketch. Now I brought out my my water brushes. I have a ton of these, but I wonder why they didn't send you a water brush with this, because this would have been the most perfect. Let's put the zine down so we can put these on top. So let's just see how it will color this in. Probably not going to do the whole thing, but what I plan on doing is cutting pieces of these, gluing them to a piece of cardboard to make a travel watercolor kit. So, but right now I'm just going to test out. I'll do it along the top. So what you're supposed to do, hopefully it works, is just take your water brush, and it's supposed to pick up color. Oh, it does pick up color really easily. Now see, for the travel kits, what I usually do is I go out and I sketch things. I don't go too far yet, but I sketch things in my sketchbook, and then I'll bring it home and color it. But if I had something like this that was an easy travel kit to use, I'm exploring all different options. But now I'm sure if I really use a little bit more water, squeeze the brush, I could get it a lot darker. Right now I just want pink dots. Oops, I don't want to go out of camera. I'm very rusty on my camera skills, which, as you know, if you've watched my videos, I never had a lot of skills. So, use my tissue to get rid of that color off of there. Let's try some peacock blue. Trying to keep it off my little cloth here, but I'm already making a mess. I'm just squeezing a little water on the brush. I'm not really saturating it. Let's do some shading with it. Just this side of the cup. Oh, we got a little of the pink into it, which shows you can mix the colors. Now I'm going over a spot on the card that I've already gone over to see if, yes, you can pull up more paint. We'll keep going over that spot and see how much I can pull up. That's kind of pretty. I like where it mixed here. All right, see, that's about it for pulling it up. So, but for doing a quick sketch outdoors and having this to color it in, that would be nice. All right, let's keep the wet ones away from the other ones. Let's see about the yellow. Let's see if I can pull up some yellow for the flowers. I can see how this would work. Let's do Gambo's yellow on the flowers here. Fortunately, I think I still had some of the aqua on the brush, but look at how that pulls up. And I really scrubbed it that time, as you've seen. Well, I wasn't sure if these cards would work at all, but now that I can see how they work, I can see that the kit should work. Travel kit I'm going to make, and I'll do a video on when I make the travel kit, which would be, I don't know, this week sometime. And I'm just vaguely filling those in. Let's do this one down here. See how far the color will go. It goes a long way. Take some of that dark away from there. That's not bad. That was the Gambo's. Let's see what other colors we have here that are nice. Let's hit the green since we already got yellow on our brush. We won't have to clean it. Now this one's got a really dark edge to it. I wonder what that is. Very dark green. Take it from up here. And it looks like spots of the cards are different. Like, see down here how it's darker and up here? And look, when you grab that dark part, it really is dark. And I grab the light part over here. It lightens up considerably. Huh. Get that off on my... Let's try the brown. Bismarck brown. It looks like burnt sienna to me. But it's not quite that. It's more of an orangey. right, let's try getting the edge of it where it looks dark and see if I get, yep. Well, I like that. That's instant control. Now for just doing a, you know, all right, let's get the brown off it, and I'll just do purple on those other ones. So that we've got an idea what, we've got an idea now what these cards do. And I think the water brush is the best option for it. You know, I'm not trying to be careful because what I'll do, I don't know if I will bother with this one because this is just a test. But what I usually do is do a really simple outline in pencil, watercolor it, and then go back and ink over it on my pen. Sometimes I will use the new, I've got the glass pen that I've just recently this year started using, and oh, I love it. I usually didn't like a dip pen because to me that's just too much work. But this glass one, oh, I just seem to have so much more control. I love it. Okay, so the colors are nice. And I'm just, I suppose you don't need to go back to the card as much as I'm doing, but now here's a spot that I used a lot. Is there anything left on that spot? Yep. Well, these cards are going to work. And like I said, they have a place on there online where you can go order past boxes. I wanted to try the subscription boxes, but I hate getting stuff that I already have and I won't use. So this was dipping my feet into the water. And so I went and found a box from their past sections that you can buy that I knew that I would want to use. And I started with that. Now I have 3 months of Sketchbox that I haven't opened yet, that I'll go in and see what they got there. But the watercolor works from these little, and I can cut sections. What I'm planning on doing is cut them into sections and gluing them down to one sheet, so that I'll have that sheet and can take that until I use that one up, and then I'll have, because if I do them into 1-inch squares, I should be able to do quite a few sheets of this. But I will show you. I'm going to do a video on it. And this was a good one. This was May 2022. And I will use everything in here. I've just now recently discovered I do like using mechanical pencils. I've never used them before. But this brush will come in handy. I like the, you see the tip on it? Whoops, I'm going up way too high. See the tip on it? Very nice. Of course, I could use an eraser because I always make mistakes. So I like this box. I may order, I'm going to try the Sketchbox. I got 3 months of Sketchbox. I'm going to try those, and if I see which one of these I like best, because I might order this one, or I might order the Sketchbox. And I also have a craft box, which I think I'm going to enjoy. It's a different craft every month, just for something different. But I hope you enjoyed that. I haven't done a video in a long time, and I apologize, but I get in a slump, I get depressed, and I get out of sync. And I just have to wait till I get back in sync. I don't fight it anymore. I just do what I do. So thank you very much. I love doing these videos. I hope you enjoy it. And I'll be doing more. The next one will probably be, I'll show you how I'm going to make that travel box with this. Thank you very much. You have a lovely, lovely day.